MIUI is a loved and appreciated custom UI from Xiaomi. Not only Xiaomi but Redmi and Poco devices also use this same UI. Now a lot of people haven't got the MIUI 12 update yet. But if you have high-end Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco smartphone, chances are you already have MIUI 12 update. But same can't be said about low-end and budget Xiaomi phones, and it is really disappointing. But here we are with some latest info on MIUI 13. Now recently we have spotted MIUI 13 mentioned thanks to Xiaomi's official website. MIUI 13 references are spotted on Xiaomi's official website. So let's talk about MIUI 13 changes, new features and supported devices. So by the end of this video, you will know if your smartphone will get MIUI 13 or not. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So guys, here is the screenshot that mentions MIUI 13. Now let me tell you, development of MIUI 13 has already started and we will start getting some early builds of MIUI 13 by June or July 2021. Beta testing will start sometime in second quarter of 2021 and there is not any word about official stable build of MIUI 13. So talking about the newest features that MIUI 13 will introduce, so first of all we will get major UI changes. We will get new icons with MIUI 13. MIUI will introduce new animations that will be integrated in home screen and overall UI. So be it scrolling animations, app opening or app closing animation, app uninstalling animations, page animations or any other animations, we will get more smoothness and fluidity in these animations. App opening and closing actions will give us some cool animations. MIUI 12 gave us super wallpapers and I love those super wallpapers. So the next change will be in terms of super wallpapers. We will get new super wallpapers with MIUI 13. We will get better always on display with MIUI 13. Now dark mode is one feature that everybody loves and appreciates, but still not all apps supports this dark mode. So MIUI 13 will give us a better and improved version of dark mode. You will be able to force dark mode in non-supported apps. So that's awesome. The notification panel will get a few improvements. The power off panel will get a new UI. Instead of choosing options like power off and reboot, you will be able to swipe through options, which looks really nice. MIUI 13 will introduce scheduled airplane mode. So just like scheduling DND mode, you will be able to schedule airplane mode, which will be handy for a lot of users. The camera app will also get a completely new UI which looks colorful. Apart from these, there will be some under the hood changes like better RAM and battery optimizations, better battery saver mode, which will improve the performance of your device. Let me tell you, you will first get some of these features in MIUI 12.5 update. This update will give us some of these features so that we can test it. And according to users' reaction, Xiaomi will decide to keep the specific feature or not. And all the new features introduced in MIUI 12.5 will be even more improved in MIUI 13. Now let's talk, will your device get this MIUI 13 update? So if your device is not in this list, don't worry, this list will get updated as we get near to the MIUI 13 rollout. So we will update this list. Just keep subscribed so that you will be notified about the updated MIUI 13 supported devices list. Share this video with all your friends who use Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco smartphones. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.